How to add money to Revolut by bank transfer. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how can you exactly add money to Revolut Bank by bank transfer. So in order to top up your Revolut account through a bank transfer, you have to navigate to the home page, and in the bottom menu below your balance, choose Accounts and select your main, joint or pro account and tap plus, add new to create a new one. Click on Details, Share, and tap to copy the details. And there are no restrictions for receiving a bank transfer. Typically, no extra steps are required for large amounts. In case of additional information needed, they will contact you through the mail. Talking about fees, Revolut do not charge any fees for incoming bank transfers. However, intermediary bank may impose fees. So this was all about it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.